Hey guys, welcome back to Irwin's Art Adventure. Today we're going to learn how to draw a turkey for Thanksgiving. So I'm a little under the weather, as you can tell by my voice, but it does not want to stop me from teaching you guys how to draw. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to start off with the turkey's beak first. And it's going to be a curved line, like so, and another curved line. And we're going to give the turkey a little smile, or a little smirk. So that little red thing that hangs from a turkey's beak, it's called a wattle. And the way I'm going to draw that is I'm just going to do like a skinny U shape. And you know what, let's add a little nostril. So I'm just going to do a circle right on the beak here. Now for the head, I'm going to do a circle. So I'm just going to do something like this. Here. Like so. And then the same goes for the eyes. So it's going to be like a circle or an oval shape. Same thing for the other eye that we're going to do right here. Something like that. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's definitely not perfect. And within that circle, I'm going to do another circle. And the same for the other eye. And then I'm going to add one more circle on the inside, and this is going to be like the black spot of your pupil. So let's go ahead and fill this part in, but let's leave a little circle on the inside for the reflection. Just a quick reminder, it does not have to look like mine. You could make this turkey look any way you want. I'm going to give the turkey some eyebrows by adding like these little bean-shaped eyebrows right above the eyes. And I'm going to fill those in as well. So next I'm going to do the turkey's neck. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a J shape here. And we're going to do like a backwards J shape on the other side to connect them. So next I'm going to do the wing. So I'm actually going to kind of leave some space here, and I'm going to draw like an oval shape. Like that. And I'm going to give this wing some feathers by adding a line right here. And I'm going to draw a couple straight lines for some feathers. Now, for the body of the turkey, I'm going to do a curved line that's going to come right to about where the wing is. So it's going to look like this. Now for the other side of the body, I'm going to do like a C shape. I'm going to stop. Because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a U shape here for where the leg is going to be. And on the other side, I'm going to do another like wide U shape. For the legs and for the feet, I'm going to do a couple straight lines. And I'm going to do like a skinny C shape here and a smaller curved shape like that. And we can connect those lines. And to show that it has another toe, I'm going to actually just divide this with another C shape. So let's do the same thing on the other side now. So I'm going to do a skinny C shape, a little flatter on the bottom. And this one, try not to draw through your other foot, but I'm going to do a backward C and connect the two lines. And then another C shape within here to separate it. Look like it has some toes. For the other wing, I'm going to do another C shape, like a skinnier C shape right here. So we have a wing and a wing. Real quick, did you know that wild turkeys can fly over a mile, and even those that can't fly can run up to 25 miles per hour? Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. Now, turkeys have these awesome tails. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do a series of lines that are progressively going to get smaller as I go down, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Take your time. You don't need to rush. Pause the video if you need to pause it. That's okay too. By progressively making these lines shorter, I'm giving the appearance that the feathers on the tail are getting shorter and shorter. So now that I got these lines drawn out for my tail, I'm going to actually connect each line with an arch. Actually, I'm going to add one more line right there, just to show that there's another feather back there. And again, the turkey's feathers are very colorful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide these feathers with another set of arches to show some color variation. So I'm going to add little details to my turkey. I'm going to add these curved shapes to give the appearance that it has some feathers there. And you know, the turkey actually has like the set of feathers around its neck that looks like a collar. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. Again, it's just a series of curved lines connected together that are going around the neck. You know, you could actually add eyelashes to the turkey if you want, just by, adding a little curved line to make it a little bit cuter, I guess. So now I've got the outline of my turkey. I'm actually going to use this time to color it in with some marker, but feel free to use whatever you have laying around the house that you like to color with. I'm going to speed this part up, but pause the video at any point if you need to, and we'll be right back. And this is my turkey. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys really enjoy the process of creating and drawing. That's the best thing about art, right? You do it because it's fun, and that's what's most important. It doesn't have to look like mine. Remember, make it your own and be creative. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.